Hi, this is Georgia, and I actually have a helper here today helping me make Dolmades, which is a Greek appetizer, which is made with grape leaves, ground beef, rice, 2 onions, a cup of rice, 2 onions, and 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. And you mix that all together into this type of a messy bowl. And then what you do is you get the grape leaves out of the jar and you boil them just slightly, sort of like blanch them, correct, Scott?
Yes.
Yes. And now Scott is going to show you the real trick on how to roll them properly because they have to be done absolutely perfect. So he didn't believe me and he decided to do his own investigation as the scientist on YouTube. Take it over, Scott.
Okay. The trick is you want to take the grape leaf and have it where the veins in the grape leaf are up, because then you'll have a nice shiny outside. And you take this part of the leaf and you fold it over.
What'd you forget to tell him? Take the stem off.
Cut the stem out. And then, just like making a Christmas present, you fold that other part of the leaf in. And then you fold this part of the leaf in. And then you roll it nice and tight.
Oh, you have a hole.
No, I won't have a hole. And then you have a perfect
Dolmades.
packaged tomato.
And then we put them on a nice plate. Oh, there's one with a hole.
That's the one you made.
And then what we do is we put them in a pot and we cover them. But this is a very careful trick. We put a plate in the pot
You don't
first.
want the boiling. You don't want them to move around in the boiling broth.
And then what
Just
we do is
unwrap.
we cover them in chicken broth and we boil them. Not too long. I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. Then we strain off the broth and then we take the magic, which is 3 eggs and 3 or 4 lemons. Depends on how you like your, if you like them really lemony. And mix that together and then pour them back over the Dolmades with the plate on top so they don't float to the top. And they are absolutely delish. Good job, Scott.